नमस्कार दोस्तों और आप सबका बहुत बहुत स्वागत। और ये है हमारा टीजीटी पीजीटी सीरीज के मोस्ट एक्सपेक्टेड क्वेश्चन का पार्ट 4। अगर दोस्तों आपने 3 पार्ट जो मैंने कवर किए हैं पिछले 3 पार्ट्स, सो इफ यू हैव नॉट वॉच टिल नाउ you can watch guys. How? So just check out the description box or you can message me on this one number. Guys, in this particular class what I'm going to discuss with you, so as usual, 10 questions and top 10 questions guys for all the TGT and PGT aspirants. And guys, one more information, if you are interested, so then you can join my paid classes for UGC NET, TGT and PGT guys. For UGC NET, you have to join classes at Unacademy platform guys. This is the WhatsApp number you can see on your screen. You can message me regarding your queries. And these are the plans for UGC NET. And if you want to join for TGT and PGT, so then you can contact me on the number 9125090515, and we have affordable prices for you for the classes guys. And these all are the question I have already covered on my previous session. So if you are interested, so then you can watch guys. And now I'm going to start with the very first one question, and here it is from 21 guys. So yes, this is the very first one question. Which one of these is a poem by Nissim Ezekiel? Do not call it suicide, Later Day Psalms, The Paradise Flycatcher, or Frex. So which one of these is a poem by Nissim Ezekiel? कौन सी ऐसी पोयम है जिसको नसीम इजकिल ने लिखा है? प्लीज गाइज आंसर कीजिए जल्दी से कमेंट बॉक्स में. Okay, so let's see the answer. Correct answer is the Paradise Flycatcher, guys. This is correct one answer. The Paradise Flycatcher. So this is basically a poem by Nissim Ezekiel. Yeah, guys, do not call it a suicide. Do not call it suicide. This is also by Nissim Ezekiel, but this is basically a play, a drama. And Later Day Psalms, so this is also by Nissim Ezekiel, but this is a poetic collection guys, collection of poetries. And you can see guys, the Paradise Flycatcher, so this is a poem by Nissim Ezekiel. And Frex by whom? So guys, this is by Kamla Das, the confessional poet guys. So correct one answer is C. If you have any kind of doubt guys, so check it out. Next one question. El allegro and il penseroso mean the blind man and the unhappy man, the desperate man and the pensive man, happy man and serious man, the philosopher and the stalwart guide. So correct one answer please. You can choose correct one answer. And yes, you can write it down on comment box guys. Now you can see correct one answer on your screen. This is the correct one answer. Happy man and serious man. This is correct one answer guys. Regarding El Allegro and Penseroso, you can see guys. Third one is correct answer. So El Allegro means happy man and Penseroso means a serious man. These are known as the guys sister poems. Sister poems guys जिन्हें हम बोलते हैं. And in the poem El Allegro, what you can see? So in the poem El Allegro, you can see invocation of goddess of mirth, and in Penseroso you can see invocation of goddess of melancholy guys. So Penseroso means pensive man and Allegro means joyful man guys. And these are the two Italian words guys. ये दोनों Italian word हैं, ये याद रखने की जरूरत है मेरे प्यारे प्यारे स्टूडेंट्स को. ओके, सो करेक्ट वन आंसर दिस इज. द नेक्स्ट वन क्वेश्चन. Who was the governor of Malta in play Zoo of Malta by Christopher Marlowe? It's Ithamore, Don Lodowick, or Farnese Don Matthias. So correct one answer please guys. Choose correct one answer. Hurry up. Who was the governor? Governor कौन है guys प्ले में जिसका नाम है Zoo of Malta, जिसको लिखा है क्रिस्टोफर मार्लो ने. So correct one answer guys please. Here is the correct one answer. Yes, this is correct one answer, and correct one answer is Fernies, guys. This is correct one answer. You know, Jew of Malta is really one of the best play by Christopher Marlowe, and Marlowe is known for what, guys? For writing plays on Renaissance man like Tamerlane the Great, Jew of Malta, Edward II. So these are Dr. Faustus, guys. So these are the best plays by Christopher Marlowe. And Jew of Malta, guys. So this is a play, and in this particular work, guys, Jew of Malta, you can see a character is there. The name of the character is Barabas. Really a greedy man, a Machiavellian villain, guys. You can simply say Barabbas' age. At the end of the play, Barabbas dies, guys. And how? By falling down on cauldron, guys. Okay? He prepared the cauldron for whom? So for Fernies, the governor of Malta. The next one question is, the poet described poetry as inspired mathematics. It's T.S. Eliot, Hopkins, Archibald Maclise, or Ezra Pound. Choose correct one answer, guys. हरी अप, चूज करेक्ट वन जल्दी से गाइस, आप करेक्ट आंसर चूज कीजिए. वो पोएट कौन है जिसने पोएट्री को कहा इट्स इंस्पायर्ड मैथमेटिक्स, गाइड. सो करेक्ट वन आंसर प्लीज. हरी अप. आई थिंक यू आर गोइंग टू सेलेक्ट करेक्ट वन आंसर. It's Ezra Pound. Ezra Pound is correct answer, guys. The complete name, the full name of Ezra Pound is Ezra Loomis Pound, guys. Yes, I'm going to write here. It's Ezra, Ezra, and yes, Lumis and Pound. Ezra Loomis Pound. And he is known as the poetic guru of T.S. Eliot. Ezra Pound, guys. Do you know? And he's one of the wonderful poem in a station of metro that is a fine example of haiku, guys. Yes, a Japanese form of poetry. And guys, you can see poet Ezra Pound, so he described poetry a kind of inspired mathematics, guys. Yeah. And Ezra Pound, he helped T.S. Eliot to cut short the wasteland and edited the wasteland, guys. Yes, Ezra Pound. And Ezra Pound को T.S. Eliot ने पता है क्या कहा, guys? Yes, il miglior fabbro. L-I-O-R Fabbro, guys. Yes, this is El Miglior Fabbro. Keep in your mind. याद रखिएगा, आपको अच्छा लगेगा. From his first speech, the audience can see clearly that Faustus suffers from the sin of gluttony, lust, sloth, or pride, guys. So please, it's not sloths, it's lust, guys, please. So please, you can select correct one answer, guys. This is the right time to choose correct one answer. And please do write, guys, correct one answer. Hurry up, please. Okay, now I'm going to show you correct one answer. This is correct one answer, guys. Correct answer is pride. From the very first one speech, you can see that Dr. Faustus was suffering from pride. Dr. Faustus, so this is an Elizabethan play, Elizabethan tragedy by Christopher Marlowe. Christopher Marlowe, guys, one among the university wits, and he was the leader basically of university wits. You know, guys, Dr. Faustus, so this play, so that was performed in the year 1604. Basically, guys, first performance of Dr. Faustus, so that is the noted performance. And based on the character, guys, you can see Faust. Faust, this is a German play by Goethe, Goethe. So yes, this particular play is based on Faust by Goethe. The next one is historical evidence suggests that Marlowe for the government was engineer, spy, sign painter, or theological advisor. So correct one answer, please, guys. Christopher Marlowe was, for government official, he was engineer, spy, sign painter, or theological advisor. Correct one answer is, guys, spy. Yes. Do you know, guys, he was killed at Deptford Inn, guys. And Ingram Dacier was the man who just, who just stabbed Christopher Marlowe. And sometime ये भी कंसीडर किया जाता है दैट क्रिस्टोफर मार्लोव एंड विलियम शेक्सपियर बोथ ऑफ देम आर वन. So guys, now see, basically Christopher Marlowe, guys, or Kit Marlowe, so he is known as a spy, but guys, there is no exact evidence or anything that can guys, claim that he was a spy. But his spending or whatever, guys, he was doing, he was living a lavishly life, taking lavish food and drink too. So that's why, guys, people were saying that his earning is not so good according to his स्पेंडर्स, कि जो भी वो खर्च कर रहे हैं उसके अकॉर्डिंग उनकी अर्निंग भी नहीं है. एंड ही यूज्ड टू बी गाइज absent from university. So these all are the reason that he was a spy. The next one, the most influential poetic work of 20th century is The Family Reunion, Four Quartets, The Wasteland, and Murder in Cathedral. Guys, obviously the correct one answer of this one question. So the correct one answer of this one question is The Wasteland, guys. The Wasteland is considered as the most influential work of modern era. It was appeared in 1922, guys. Yes. And do you know how many parts are there of Wasteland? So 5 parts are there of the Wasteland. Like these are the parts: Burial of the Dead, Game of Chess, Fire Sherman, Death by Water, and What the Thunder Said. So these all are the parts. Basically, guys, a number of allusions, quotations has been derived from different authors like John Webster, Dante, Valorant, and you can say William Shakespeare. So a number of quotations and a number of lines has been derived from different sources, and T.S. Eliot put these all lines in his work The Wasteland. And you can also see a role of James J. Frazer's The Golden Bough. And guys, one more work is there. So what is the name of another one work? It's by J.C. Weston. Guys, J.C. Weston के एक वर्क से भी बहुत सारी चीजें ली हैं T.S. Eliot ने वेस्टलैंड में. JCWESTON, guys, Weston. If possible, do write answer on comment box, guys. और मेरी मुलाकात आपसे होगी comment box में. The question is, Robert Frost got Pulitzer Prize. Robert Frost got the Pulitzer Prize for Mountain Interval, New Hampshire, West Running Brook, or A Further Rains. Correct answer, guys. What is the correct one answer of this one question? So I hope so, guys, you got correct one answer, and here is the correct one answer. Correct answer is New Hampshire, guys. Basically, Robert Frost, so he received the Pulitzer Prize 4 times, and these are the work, guys, for the work he got. For Hampshire, he received the Pulitzer Prize in the year 1924. Okay, guys. And in 1943, A Witness Tree. 1937, A Further Rains. 1931, Collected Poems of Robert Frost. 1924, New Hampshire. So this is the first time when he received Pulitzer Prize. But in his lifetime, he got Pulitzer Prize 4 times, guys. Okay. The next one is Mr. Galsworthy is best known for his Fawcett Saga, which criticizes the lower middle class, the upper middle class, the upper class, the lower class, guys. So choose correct one answer. Really super one question for you, and do write your answer on comment box, guys. So here is the right answer, as you can see on your screen, guys. Correct one answer is basically the lower middle class, guys. This is correct one answer. Do you know, guys? What is correct one answer? It's the lower middle class, it's the upper middle class, or the upper class. Guys, correct one answer is upper middle class. B is correct one answer. I was thinking कि आप कौन सा correct answer करने वाले हैं, guys. The upper middle class is correct one answer, guys. He was criticizing and he was supporting the lower classes, guys, or the middle classes. Yeah, you must remember, guys. और मुझे लगता है कि आपने लोअर मिडिल क्लास पहले ऑप्शन को चूज किया होगा, जहां तक मैं गेस करता हूं. एंड द नेक्स्ट वन एंड द लास्ट क्वेश्चन इज चूज द अनमैच्ड वन. गाइज, इट्स माय हम्बलेस्ट रिक्वेस्ट, अगर आपने इस लेक्चर को एंजॉय किया है तो प्लीज डू सब्सक्राइब द चैनल, एंड शेयर कीजिए अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ सो दैट वो भी इसका बेनिफिट ले सकें गाइज. Every day you are going to get a single video on the based on practice guys for TGT, PGT, UGC NET aspirant. ये सभी एग्जाम के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है गाइज. सो प्लीज चूज करेक्ट वन आंसर, शेयर कीजिएगा, सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा. एटलीस्ट वन शेयर गाइज मेरी रीच लोगों तक पहुंच बढ़ा सकती है. सो प्लीज सपोर्ट मी गाइज, इट्स माई हम्बलेस्ट रिक्वेस्ट. या ताकि आप अगली बार अपडेट भी ना मिस करें. चलिए गाइज, सो यस, correct one answer of this one question. So first of all, go through the question like silver box, the upper lower classes. Okay, stripe guys, confrontation of capital and labor, justice, prison reform in England, and guys the mob. It's girls. You guys please let me yes guys edit a few things. थोड़ा सा मुझे edit कर देने दो क्योंकि ये थोड़ा सा गड़बड़ हो गया guys. Yes, so let me edit this one. And yeah, this is okay guys, this the name of the play is the mob guys, and the skin game. So you can see now I have edited. So the silver box, upper and lower class, and you can see the next one. So this is strife, confrontation of capital and labor, justice, prison reform in England, the mob, reaction of the Second World War guys, and then you can see skin game, enmity of two families. Correct one answer कौन सा है guys? So correct one answer of this one question is D guys. ये incorrect है, unmatched है, because guys the mob 1914. So how it can be a reaction against the Second World War guys? So this is not correct. And other like silver box, so guys ये upper और lower class के साथ deal होता है. Yes. स्ट्राइप गाइड सो कैपिटल एंड लेबर के बीच में है. जस्टिस तो प्रिजन रिफॉर्म के बारे में है. स्किन गेम, एनिमिटी ऑफ टू फैमिलीज गाइड. सो दिस इज ओके. So guys, correct one answer is fourth one, and thank you so much guys. But before quitting the class, I would like to tell you something guys. Yes, subscribe तो आपने कर लिया होगा. Now guys, you can join my paid classes for UGC NET, TGT, UP TGT guys, and UP PGT. क्लासेस आर ऑलरेडी रनिंग ऑन. एंड गाइज लेट मत कीजिए. अगर आपको एक सीट चाहिए, बेस्ट कंटेंट चाहिए, अच्छा मटेरियल चाहिए और वन शॉट में सीधा सा गाइज आपको नौकरी चाहिए, सो यस आप ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं मेरी क्लासेस. यू विल गेट द बेस्ट, इट्स माई प्रॉमिस. एंड गाइज यूजीसी नेट आप ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं. यू विल गेट द बेस्ट बाय डाउनलोडिंग अनअकैडमी द लर्निंग एप्लीकेशन. और डाउनलोड करने के बाद गाइज आप मुझे वहां पर फॉलो कीजिए. पेड कोर्सेज चाहिए तो सब्सक्रिप्शन लीजिए गाइज. वांट टू वॉच फ्री क्लासेस, सो देन गाइज एक काम कीजिएगा, आपके लिए मेरा रेफरल कोड होगा. जो रेफरल कोड गाइज, यस राजवीर, AKS राजवीर. दिस इज AKSRAJVEER. सो गाइज इस रेफरल कोड को डालिएगा और अनलॉक कर सकते हैं आप फ्री प्लान्स. थैंक यू सो मच, बाय एंड टेक केयर. अपना ख्याल रखिएगा, अपनों का ख्याल रखिएगा गाइज. स्टे सेफ. Good. Bye and take care.